Hi everyone, it's Burgess, and I wanted to paint some marshes in the I think what they call it is the Norfolk Broads. So let's just wet down the sky and uh, and the land area, the whole paper to be out. In fact, let's wet the whole thing down, and we're going to take some yellow ochre and put that down too. We just want a sort of a tint of it. And then we're going to take some ultramarine blue, and we can put that all the way down as well in the sky, in the water too. This is going to be the water area. You can put that in a bit more. And then I'm going to take some Payne's grey. With the Payne's grey, I want to sort of have huge clouds up the top here. Sort of, we can put them here as well actually. All the way, really, really dark. And then just want to little ones here. Just want to mirror them, in fact. And mirror it along here as well, just behind here this way. Then we can put some more along here. And we want it all to sort of merge. Have it sort of fairly dark up here. And now we're going to leave it. That's the only thing I'm going to do with the sky. And we are now going to let that sky dry. Okay, now that it's dry, I'm just going to add some land masses in. And it's all going to be sort of a very, we can just add this, like a sort of a something there, like a tree or something, I don't know. And we can just go all the way across here. That, and just going to keep sort of and we will darken some of these areas in a minute. And I'm going to change the brush as well. I'm going to change it to a round brush. And we can go back in with this one. And I want to put more dark colors in first. Put extra dark colors here. And then we take the card and just scrape out yeah, like that. And what I want to do is I want to here too. And I want to put a bit of color in. Put a bit of green in there as well. Just a little bit of color. And I'm going to go back in with the in. I want to remove that because what I want to do is oops. Yeah, that always happens. A bit of color in front of it, and I'm going to take some just pure burnt sienna, put it down a bit. Take some of the color off, just a little bit of the color. Okay, with the sepia pen, I want to put a few poles in, and then we'll put the reflections in again, because we haven't put in the reflections yet. So what I want to do is, and this is going to be this is a waterproof Unipen fine liner fade proof ink pen, and I want to put a pole along here. May not show up actually, or maybe we should just use black. Okay, we're going to use the black instead. And it will be just a pole sticking somewhere in the water here, and we can put one sort of along here too. Make this a bit bigger actually. We can have one here, a little one there, and here, and maybe one along here. Along there. So what we're going to do is wet the water area again. What we're going to do is just it's going to be like reflections in the water. And I don't mind them sort of spreading. And we can have and now we're going to take our rigger and just add a bit of there's some detail to this. We can and I want to darken some of those trees a bit more in the distance. I don't know what it is actually, but let's just add a bit more. A little bit here and there. And I'm gonna let that dry one more time. Turn it this way now. What I want to do is add a sort of a windmill type of thing. This is called a watermill apparently. And what I want to do is darken it and add another one this way. And I want to make the blades bigger as well here. And let's just do it like that. And you know what I want to do? I want to take out a bit of color from the distance here. Lift it out just to add a bit of difference in depth, and maybe lift out a bit more here. And then we can add some It's just about a bit of colour. Bit of colour here. Just a little bit of colour. And we go back in. We can wet that again. Just wet it down and just keep just add a bit more. Shadow work. Sorry, reflection work. Right under there. And I want to add it again a bit more here. And finally, I want to add my birds, maybe a couple of birds this time. I want to darken those propellers a bit more actually, so let's just do that too. Yeah, so here's my Norfolk Broads or the marshlands or whatever you'd like to call it. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and do consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching.